I must warn you, this is not a trick of the camera. This is overhead machining by GROB. This is their first machine tool they've sold in Scotland. Luke, it's a great opportunity to join you here at CA Models in Stirling, Scotland, the first ever GROB machine to be commissioned here. Now, you look after the software application, but part of the package that you actually offer to your customers is a bit of a learning curve. Tell me exactly what you're offering CA Models.
So here at CA, I'm offering the training that's bringing the guys up from Heidenhain base up into Siemens, and then how to operate this machine to a good level.
I think the learning curve for a lot of engineers and why they do buy certain machines is obviously based on the software, the knowledge, but from your point of view, how easy is it for these guys to actually sort of learn to program this machine?
So these guys are on a 5-day training course, and after the second day we were cutting metal with these guys, so they picked up really well here.
I think, James, when you're looking at, obviously a very unique machine that you've actually got here at CA Models, I've seen some of the parts that you're actually manufacturing, they're very prismatic, they're very different, so you're really sort of programming day to day and how you're finding, using this GROB.
The GROB's been really good. The training's been clear, precise, and it's at a steady pace, so it's been really easy to pick up.
And from your point of view, when you look at the capabilities of the GROB machine, obviously you've got milling and turning, but as I would call it, machining upside down, does it give you a much better option to win different types of work at CA Models?
Hope so. It should let us machine from different angles, do jobs in shorter setups, and the high accuracy of the machine is going to allow us to maintain the tolerances that the customers are looking for.
And that's it, isn't it? Everybody's chasing a micron these days, or to a certain extent. But from your point of view, when you've got the package from the GROB team with Luke here, giving you the training, you couldn't really justify to buy a machine like this if you didn't have a full package at the end of the day.
No, you've got to have the full package, because it's bringing us up from Heidenhain right up to being able to use this machine proficiently within 2 or 3 days, and hopefully within a couple of weeks we'll be producing good quality work.
Sounds like a fantastic partnership. I'm sure it will grow. Thanks very much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.